In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Microsoft Teams. If you want to make Teams easier on your eyes or simply match your personal preference, changing the theme is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few moments. This can be especially helpful if you spend a lot of time in Teams throughout the day and want a look that feels more comfortable. To begin, go to Microsoft Teams and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Teams is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. There, you'll find the three-dot menu, which gives you access to more options and settings inside the app. Click the three dots in the top right corner. A small menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the settings area where you can customize different parts of your Teams experience. Inside Settings, look for the Appearance section and click on it. This is where Microsoft Teams lets you control how the interface looks. If you've never visited this section before, you'll notice that it includes visual options designed to help you personalize the app. Under the Theme section, find the drop-down arrow on the right side. Click that arrow to open the available theme choices. This drop-down is where you can switch between the visual styles Teams offers. Depending on your version of Teams, you may see options such as a light theme, a dark theme, or other appearance settings. Now simply select from the available options. As soon as you choose a theme, Teams should update the appearance so you can preview how it looks. Take a moment to see which option feels best for your workspace. A lighter theme can feel clean and bright, while a darker theme may be more comfortable in low light environments or during long work sessions. If you don't immediately notice a major change, give the screen a second to refresh visually. In some cases, certain sections of the app may update more noticeably than others. The important part is that your selected theme will now be applied to your Teams interface, and that's all it takes to change the theme in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple customization, but it can make your daily experience much more pleasant and easier to use. If you're adjusting Teams for comfort, focus, or just a different look, this is one of the easiest settings to personalize.